Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an HP laptop. This one is an HP Pavilion 14 model AV005, and in this video I'm going to take you on a step-by-step how you can open it up and how you can remove or replace the battery on your laptop. If yours is not holding up anymore, try it just lasts a few minutes or few hours less, or you just is inflated and you just want to replace it. This video is for you. All right, I'll leave the link for the tools and the compatible battery in the video description in case you want to purchase yours. Just remember, uh, and at the end of the video, I'll give you a tip on how to start using your new battery and to do that once every couple of months to keep the health of the battery on its best performance state possible. All right. So just remember, by replacing or removing the battery, you're not changing anything in the system. Everything is going to be left the way you had it before. Just when you first power it on after removing the battery, you might get a little text saying that your CMOS was reset to default. That's normal. Just press enter, it will restart, and it will go to the Windows. Right. For the tools, I'll be using a screwdriver set. A good screwdriver set is a must. I use the iFixit screwdriver set. I purchased the basic tool set. From this tool set, I'll be using a Phillips number 1. If you get the Pro set, they will give you an opening tool, some tweezers, stuff like that. If not, grab yourself a metallic guitar picks. These are suitable to opening cases and covers. All right, with all this on hand, we're going to get it started. First thing first, once you power down, flip it upside down. There's a two types of screws, a thick one and the slim ones. The thick ones are the two corner back ones, the one in each corner. So remove these ones at the first. So these are a little thicker than the rest. So put these ones in one pile. Now we're going to remove the two on the side and the four in the front. Go ahead and remove this one. Also, if you guys like my videos, if you find my videos helpful and helping you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking the like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comments. I appreciate that. All right, once we remove all the screws that we could see, but there is a hidden screw that we need to get that one out. That one is right under this rubber feet at the back, in the middle somewhere. So you want to put the opening tool in the bottom of the plastic here and lift it up slowly, 45-degree angle, bring it up like that, and then you're going to see the screw right there. Go ahead and remove this screw and bring the rubber feet back in. And that's the same size screw as the rest. Now, what you want to do here, you want to open up the laptop a little bit, just like that. You want to stick the opening tool or the guitar pick in between the bottom cover and the palm rest, just like that, about 1 or 2 millimeters. And then you just want to twist it backward like this. And you want to see those gaps opening. You want to hear those big click sound. That's what you want to hear. Those are the clips are getting loosened up. That's normal. That's what you want to hear. You want to do that all around in the front end. Move yourself to the corners and to the sides. Don't want to stick more than a 1 or 2 millimeter. Oh, I forgot one screw right over here. Always make sure you haven't forgot any screws. Where did it go? There we go. Move towards the USB. Move to the corner back. And close it down. We want to go on the left and right side. In here, I'm going to skip the SD card reader, so I don't want to break it. So I'm going to skip it, go beside it, and pull this one all the way to the corner back. Now, all you need to do, if you want to do the back end, you could by the grill in here. Just stick it right in there. Little twist. Work yourself all around in the front, on the back, I mean. And there we go. Now you can put it face down and lift it up. There's the bottom cover. And the battery is right in here upside down. So let's flip this one. There we have it. So the battery model is a huge battery model right there. It's printed SE03XL. If you want to buy it directly from HP, the replacement part number is an 849908-850. This is a 2016 model, so pretty much the battery on this one is still good. All right, to remove the battery, first we need to disconnect it. To disconnect it, let's go back again this way. To disconnect the battery, you want to pull this jack backward. You want to pull it evenly back. Don't put it sideways. You want to put your fingers on this side of the connector and on this side. Put your fingernails on this side, these two sides, and bring them back evenly. I cannot say how important that is. Push them back evenly. All right, once you bring it back like that, now it's disconnected. Remove the screw that touches the battery. There should be 4 of them. 1, 2, and 2 in the other side. So once you remove these 4 screws, you can use the laptop without the battery and you can power on without the battery and it's going to work fine. Just it will take about 30-40 seconds to boot up without the battery, and every time it's going to tell you that there is a CMOS reset to default. Not a big deal. But yeah, these laptops do not have a dedicated CMOS battery. There's a space for it, but there's no connector for the CMOS. It takes its charge from here. The 3 volt, it comes from here. Now let's say that you got a new battery. It comes with its own cable, so you don't have to reuse this cable. If yours is not taped up, you can tape yours like this, in case if you want to. If not, it's okay too. You want to put the I always try to say to people that always put the connector in so you have better room to wiggle around in here. So align the connector in there and pinch them straight in. Don't go sideways, it's straight in. And then sit down the battery. There's a tiny pinhole in here that goes in this hole and this hole right in here. When you put it down, and the screw hole is nicely aligned right now. And that's when you want to put the screws back on. Don't over tighten up the screws, just tighten it up firmly, but that's it. Don't go crazy, otherwise you're gonna break the plastic for the battery. I see so many people change it and they just tighten up with everything they got. You don't want to do that. You can buy a little what's called Loctite for the screws. You don't need that. Absolutely not necessary. Just tighten up, and that's it. Not gonna go anywhere. Once you disconnect the connector, put the bottom cover over. Now you want to push the corners in, and you want to hear those big click sounds in the front, on the side, in the back corner, on the side right there. If you see any gap opening, you want to pinch them and it will go to its place. First thing first, you want to put the corner screws right in here because these are the hinge ones. And don't forget the one that goes under the rubber feet at the back. Now, regarding the new battery that you put in, once you put a new battery in, you do not want to power on the laptop right away. You want to leave it off and connect the charger while it's off. Leave it charging for at least 4 to 5 hours or 3 to 4 hours. I would recommend you guys. After 3 to 4 hours, once it's charged, you want to disconnect the charger and you want to power it on with the battery only and bring down the brightness of the screen down to 30-40% and let it discharge by light load. Don't put any heavy load, anything like that. Let it slowly drain the battery down to whatever the Windows is configured at 20 or 30%. Once it shows you the message that the battery level is low on the Windows, then you want to power it off. Once it's off, plug in the charger, let it again sit there for another 3 to 4 hours. And after that, you can use it as you wish. That initial charge and discharge, it is very important and crucial for the new battery. And you should be doing that once every couple of months. Again, I hope you guys like this video and I help you guys to replace or remove your HP Pavilion 14-AV series laptops. If you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.